Yeah, this is a Candy tumble dryer, 9 kilogram model, 2 years old. That's all it is, just 2 years old. What I've done, it's been a problem with the drum not turning, and usually that's an indicator the capacitor has failed. Now what I've done is to remove the tunnel, the fan and the fan plate from this part here, and I've had to do that because pardon me, you need 2 hands to get to the capacitor, one to hold the capacitor, the other one to use a pair of pliers to free the terminals. You can't do it with one hand, I mean, unless you're Superman, I suppose. Anyway, so I've got the capacitor out. It's this one here. It's Ducati, made in Romania, and it's 7 microfarads. Now, what I've got here is ESR meter from China. Actually, it's a well-regarded one. I often made them an offer, and they accepted it and sent it all the way from China to get to me. These are now expensive. They're about twice the price now. Anyway, I don't know if you can see. I don't think you can see. There's some writing there. It might be that. Yeah, I think you can see that just about. So it's on ESR. What I'm going to do is I dropped it. I dropped it. Is to link up. I have to drop the camera so I can deal with this, but that's how I'm doing it. There you are. It's we'll set it to run. Oh no. Oh, no, it didn't like that. Yeah, it's working. It's gone into ESR mode because it's got various modes it can go into. It's immediately gone into that. I don't know if you can see on the screen. It's saying 1.66 microfarads, ESR 3 ohms. Now, that's very low microfarads. It's supposed to be 7. There's only 1.66, and not surprisingly, it's not working. And the ESR is sky high. I mean, it's just absolutely sky high. So this capacitor is totally useless. I need a new one. So that's just one way of confirming that the ESR meter can work with this to show you that the capacitor is or is not a good one, and that's how you find out. So I hope this might help some people. If you want to buy one of these, they do cost a bit now.